children. So today I am going to take revision on chapter number 44. Okay, chapter number 4, quiz on animals. Okay, quiz on animals. Now I will ask you questions. Now tell me, Adrika, this is the largest big cat. Which one is the largest big cat? What is the name of the largest big cat? Royal Bengal tiger or Siberian tiger?
Siberian tiger.
Yes. Now tell me, does the zebra belongs to the which family? The zebra belongs to the family of horse or leopard?
Horse.
Yes, very good, Adrika. Mute yourself. Tafeem, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tafeem, wait, Somak, wait. Now tell me, Tafeem, which is the dog's strongest sense? Taste or smell?
Smell.
Howler monkeys are the loudest of all monkeys. Serious or joking?
Serious.
Okay. Camel with 2 humps are called Bactrian or Dromedarians?
Bacterian.
Okay, very good, Tafeem. Mute yourself. Somak, unmute yourself, Somak. Somak, unmute yourself. Yes, can you hear me, Somak? But I can't hear you, Somak. Check your device. Is there any problem? Your voice is not coming. No, your voice is not coming. Take out the headphone and again you insert that earphones again. Take out your earphones and insert again in the device. In the device. I think there is some network problem. You see, raise the volume if there is any problem. Raise the volume of your phone. Somak, I can't hear you at all. Though you are unmuted, but still your voice is not coming. Do one thing, rejoin once again. Just check your device. Check your phone. Okay, restart that. Restart your mobile. Yes, Rit, unmute yourself. Otherwise, you take out your speaker, that earphone, and then you say. Okay. Take out your speaker.
Yes, ma'am.
Take out your earphones with the take out of the mobile. Yes, Rit.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rit. Now tell me, which is the dog's strongest sense? Which is the dog's strongest sense? Smell. Now tell me, this is the largest big cat.
Howler Siberian tiger.
Siberian tiger. Yes. Now tell me, camel with 2 humps are called Bactrian or Dromedarians?
Bacterian.
Very good. Okay, Rit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Aratrika. Unmute yourself, Aratrika.
Ma'am, just now I joined. What are you doing in the class?
Yes, I'm taking revision on chapter number 4. Okay. I'm taking revision. Open chapter number 4. Now tell me, it has prickly spines for protection. It has prickly spines for protection. Hedgehog, yes. Chipmunks are a part of which family? Okay. Now tell me, camels with 2 humps are called?
Yes, ma'am.
Camels with 2 humps. The camels who is having 2 humps, what it is called?
Bacterian.
Bactrian. Very good, Aratrika. Tanveer, unmute yourself. Tanveer, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanveer, now tell me, chipmunks are a part of which family? Chipmunks. Chipmunks are a part of which family? I'm taking the revision from chapter number 4. Chipmunks are a part of which family? Monkey,
Squirrel.
squirrel. Now tell me, in a beehive, drone is a male bee or worker bee? In a beehive, drone is a male bee or worker bee? In a beehive, drone is a male bee or worker bee?
Ma'am, male.
Yes, male bee. The zebra belongs to the which family? Zebra belongs to the horse family.
Horse.
Okay, Tanveer, very good. Mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, what happened? What happened, Tanveer?
so many thunder in my place.
Yes, what you saying?
So many thunder in my place.
Okay, it's raining there?
No, ma'am,
Okay, okay,
but thunder.
okay. Okay, Tanveer. Dipayan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Dipayan, or
Yes,
tell me,
ma'am.
this is the largest big cat. Royal Bengal tiger or Siberian tiger?
Siberian tiger.
Okay, now tell me, chipmunks are a part of which family? Chipmunks are a part of which family?
Squirrel.
Okay.
Squirrel.
Now tell me, kangaroo use their strong tails to hang down from tree branches or balance while leaping? Kangaroos use their strong tails to hang down from tree branches or balance while leaping?
Hang down from tree branches.
Oh, balance while leaping. Okay, balance while leaping. Okay, Dipayan. Good, very good. Learn this chapter nicely, okay? Arhad, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me some questions.
Yes, Arhad, now tell me. Kangaroos use their strong tails to hang down from tree branches or balance while leaping?
Balance while leaping.
Okay, camels with two humps are called Bactrian or dromedaries?
What, ma'am?
Camels with two humps are called Bactrian or dromedaries?
Bacterian.
Bactrian, yes. Now tell me, howler monkeys are the loudest of all monkeys. Serious or joking?
Yes.
Very good. Very good, Arhad. Somak, now can
And
you?
ma'am,
Yes.
is raining in your side?
Yes, it's raining since morning. Yesterday also, today also.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Here also it's raining.
That's why there is a lot of network problem today. Okay,
Yes,
Arhad.
ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Somak, unmute yourself. Can you hear me now? Somak? Still your voice is not coming, Somak. I think there either your earphone is damaged or it's not working properly, or either your phone is having some problem. You do one thing, don't use your earphones. Just take out your earphone from the device and then you speak. Take out your earphones, take out that plug from the device. Okay, now just use your phone, okay, without the earphones. Just use your phone. Take out your earphones from the mobile device, okay? But your voice is not coming, Somak. Your voice is not coming. There is some problem. Do one thing, turn off your mobile and then you switch on once again. Okay. Saptaparna, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Somak, do one thing, turn off your mobile and again you switch on.
Ma'am, can you tell me few questions?
Saptaparna, yes, I'm asking you. In a beehive, drone is a male bee or worker bee?
Tell me.
Male bee, yes. Now tell me, zebra belongs to the family of leopard or horse?
Horse.
Horse. Now tell me, which is the dog's strongest sense?
Smell.
Very good, Saptaparna. Mute yourself. Mehreen, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mary, now tell me, this is the largest big cat. A Royal Bengal tiger or Siberian tiger?
Siberian tiger.
Okay, now tell me, zebra belongs to the family of
Horse.
leopard or horse? Horse.
Horse family.
Now tell me, chipmunks are part of which family? Chipmunks are part of which family?
Squirrel.
Very good, Mary. Mute yourself. Okay, mute yourself.
Can you see my drawing?
Mary, in your house, one child is crying.
Ma'am, can you see my drawing?
Yes.
Wait, ma'am.
Who is showing?
Ma'am, I am Saptavarna.
Raise your hands up, Tapanna. I can't see.
Wait, ma'am.
Yes, Saptapanna. Very beautiful drawing. Very nice. Color it. Why you have not colored? Just color
Ma'am,
the
it
drawing.
is a sketch. Ma'am,
Okay, it is a sketch. Okay, okay. Very good sketching you have done. Very nice. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, very good. Okay, now Swineet Manna, unmute yourself. Swineet, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Now tell me, Swineet,
I tell you something.
camel with two humps are called. Camels with two humps are called Bactrian or drone?
Bacteria.
Bactrian, yes. Now tell me, related to elephants, which creature is that grazes or underwater plants? Related to elephants, which is the creature that grazes or on underwater plants? See, you can see there. Did you know? That is also important. Related to elephants.
Dragon.
Yes, dugong. Now tell me, which family?
What, ma'am?
Zebra belongs to the which family? Leopard or horse?
Horse.
Horse. Very good. Very good, Srini.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I tell you something.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, for
Okay. Srini. Okay. Yes, Shahzad, unmute yourself.
yes, ma'am.
Shahzad, now tell me, this is the largest big cat.
Siberian tiger.
Which is the dog's strongest sense?
Smell.
It has prickly spines for protection.
Hedgehog.
Very good. Very good, Shahzad. Rith, unmute yourself. Rith, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, chipmunks are part of which family?
Squirrel.
Okay. Now tell me, in a beehive, drone is a...
What?
In a beehive, drone is a...
Hedgehog.
In a beehive, drone is a male bee or worker bee?
Male bee.
Okay. The zebra belongs to the family of leopard or horse?
Horse family.
Very good, Rith. Mute yourself. Anindya and Abhinava, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Now tell me, both of you say together, okay? It has prickly spines for protection.
Ma'am, hedgehog.
Yes. Now tell me, camels with two humps are called?
What, ma'am?
Camels with two humps. The camels which is who is having the two humps. What is called? What it is called? The camels with two humps. Bactrian or dromedaries? What is the answer? Bactrian. Okay. Kangaroos use their strong tails to hang down from the tree branches or balance while leaping. Kangaroos.
Balance while leaping.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Mark the. Did you know? Okay. Related to elephants, the dugong is a sea creature that grazes on underwater plants. So mark this one. It is also important. Okay. Very good, Anindya and Abhinava. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Welcome. Yes, Aharnish, unmute yourself. Aharnish, unmute yourself. Yes.
Question.
Now tell me, ladybirds are a farmer's best friend because they eat plant-eating pests. Serious or joking?
Serious.
Okay. Now tell me, it has prickly spines for protection.
Hedgehog.
Now tell me, related to elephants, which creature grazes on underwater plants?
Dugong.
Very good, Arnish. Okay. Mute yourself. Yes, Arnab. Arnab Bhuya. Yes, Arnab. Now tell me, Arnab, howler monkeys are the loudest of all monkeys. Serious or joking? No, howler monkeys are the loudest of all monkeys. It is serious. Okay. Okay, now tell me, chipmunks are the part of which family? Chipmunks are the part of which family? Chipmunks are the part of which family? Okay, Taskin, tell me. Unmute yourself, Taskin.
Please ask me some question.
Taskin, tell me, chipmunks are a part of which family?
Ma'am, squirrel.
Okay, now tell me, in a beehive, drone is a...
Melody.
Yes. Camels with two humps are called?
Bacterial.
Very good, Taskin. Well done. Adrija, unmute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Adrija, now tell me, this is the largest big cat.
Siberian tiger.
Okay, now tell me, it has prickly spines for protection.
Yes, ma'am.
It has prickly spines for protection.
Hedgehog.
Yes. Now tell me, ladybirds are farmers' best friend because they eat plant-eating pests. Serious or joking?
Serious.
Very good, Adrija. Very good. Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
what happened?
No, ma'am. It is my mistake.
Okay, okay. Priyam, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyam, now tell me, the zebra belongs to the which family? Yes. Camel with two humps are called? Kangaroos use their tails, strong tails, to hang down from the tree branches. Kangaroos use their strong tails to hang down from the tree branches or balance while leaping.
Balance by living.
Very good, Priyam. Okay, mute yourself. Very good. So, children, you all have learned this chapter very nicely. It is very good that you all answered very nicely. So, the next chapter, I will ask you chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. Okay. This will be your next revision chapter. So, please learn this chapter nicely.
First one is brave. Second one is